Amy, wake up! The floor is wet!
No. This is my fault. The kitchen, oh no.
This biscuit is on the fridge! Tom, are you okay?
Dad, I need to tell you something.
Not now, we have to move.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. You're dead, Tom Watson. You have to catch me first.
Where did you get those balloons?
I made them in the bathroom.
You filled them yourself?
I used the tap under the sink. I had to twist it really hard to make them big.
Okay, be careful in there.
Bigger, bigger. Come on, just a bit bigger. Perfect. Wait, what's that? It's just a little drip. Dad will be angry if I broke it. I'll just put a towel there.
Tom, you're completely soaked.
It was Lily. It was both of us.
Good game today, Tom.
I scored 4 goals.
4? That's a record.
Biscuit, come here.
He's been following Tom all day.
He loves Tom best. Don't tell Tom. Dad, do pipes ever drip?
Drip? Sometimes. Why?
Just wondering. You're very quiet. I'm fine. Tom, what did you do?
Nothing. I didn't do anything.
Okay, but if you did something, tell Dad.
Please be okay. Please be okay.
Good night, Tom.
Mom,
Yes, sweetheart?
I love you, Mom.
I love you too, sweetheart. Sleep well.
It's probably fine.
The towel is there.
Biscuit? What is it, Biscuit?
Ben, wake up! Ben, the floor's really wet!
What? Get up now!
The bathroom! There's water! Amy, so much water!
No. No. This is my fault. What is that sound?
Everyone stay calm!
Dad, what is happening? The bathroom pipe.
The main water valve. I need to turn it off. Where is it? Stay upstairs! Hold the wall, the stairs are slippery! Biscuit, you're safe! Smart cat. Come on.
I can't hear the water anymore.
Dad turned off the valve.
Good.
Yes, emergency plumber, please. A pipe has burst in my home. 24 Watson Street, please hurry.
Is anyone hurt?
I'm okay. Tom, what's wrong?
Nothing.
Tom,
The plumber is coming. 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
Okay.
We need to move things. Electronics first, anything important.
And Biscuit.
Hold the railing. Walk slowly.
The water is so cold.
I know. Keep moving. Laptop, grab it.
Got it. What else?
The photo albums. Top shelf.
Biscuit, come here, Biscuit. I've got you. I've got you.
You're safe. You're okay.
I know. The water is scary.
Tom, help me move things.
Dad,
What?
I need to tell you something. About the pipe.
What about the pipe?
This afternoon, the water balloons.
I was under the sink. I twisted something.
I think I broke the pipe.
You saw it was dripping?
Yes, I was scared to tell you. I put a towel there.
Why were you scared to tell me?
I didn't want you to be angry. I didn't want to be in trouble.
Tom, look at me. You are not in trouble. The pipe was an accident. What matters is telling me sooner.
I'm sorry, Dad.
I know you're sorry. And I love you. But right now, I need your help. Show me exactly which pipe.
Under the sink, the small on the left.
The supply fitting. Okay, good. You found the exact spot.
Will the plumber fix it? Much faster now. Because of you.
Towels! We need every towel!
The mop is in the cupboard.
I've got Biscuit. Mom, I need to tell you something too.
I know, Tom.
You know?
We'll talk properly tomorrow. Right now, more towels.
Okay. Did you tell Dad? Yes. Good. Was Dad angry? No. See? I told you.
Tom, here, take this end.
Got it.
Pull it tight. Is it working?
Look, it's going down.
Yes!
Less water. Mom, we're getting it.
We are. Keep going, Lily.
My feet are freezing.
Mr. Watson, emergency plumber? Thank goodness. Come in, show me the pipe. The supply fitting, left side. I see it. Someone over-tightened this.
I over-tightened it. That's what I did.
I have the part. Lucky. Very lucky. 20 minutes and it's fixed.
Hot chocolate, everyone.
Now?
You work hard, you get hot chocolate.
Mom, I'm really sorry.
I know you are. About the pipe. Tom, accidents happen. What I want you to remember is that telling the truth always helps more than hiding it.
I was scared you'd be angry.
I understand that. But look at tonight. A small drip in the afternoon.
Could have become a small repair.
Instead, it became this. I will always tell you now. That's all I need.
Done. New fitting. Good as new.
That was fast. See?
Did you damage this yourself, son?
Water balloons.
The classic. My boy did the same. He's a plumber now.
Really?
Turn the valve back on. Water pressure, normal. Perfect. Thank you. You have a good boy there. He told you the truth. He did.
The rug is ruined.
And the books on the bottom shelf.
Everything else is fine.
I'll save my pocket money to help fix things.
We'll talk about that. But Tom, the rug is just a thing. Things can be replaced.
At least Biscuit is safe. He was on the fridge. More hot chocolate.
At 3 in the morning.
Exactly when we need it most.
Well?
Well.
I'm sorry about the well.
Dad, are you angry?
No.
Really?
The pipe accident, I understand. The hiding, that was the mistake. And you fixed that. You told me.
I tried to tell Tom to tell you.
Did you?
This afternoon.
He didn't. Lily, you did the right thing.
But he didn't listen.
You told him. That's what matters.
Lily, you were right. I know. Thank you for trying.
Okay, what do we do tomorrow?
Try everything out?
Call the insurance.
Dad, what is insurance?
Money that helps when accidents happen.
Like a rainy day fund? Biscuit needs his dinner.
At 3 a.m.?
He had a difficult evening.
I didn't know a small drip could do this.
Small things can become big things. If you ignore them,
Small problems need to be told.
so they don't become big problems.
Exactly.
Bed. Everyone, my room is dry.
Dry, you're okay.
Night, Tom. Night, Lily. Sorry again.
Good night, Tom.
Dad,
Yes,
I won't hide things anymore.
I know. Sleep now. I've got you.
Well, we have work to do, but we're all okay.
Morning.
Morning, Tom.
Still bad.
The house needs work, but we are fine, Tom.
We're fine. I slept so well.
You went to bed at 3:30 a.m.
Exactly, very tired.
We'll dry the floors today, call insurance, order a new rug.
And I'm calling the school. Late start.
Dad, next time I break something,
Yes? I tell you right away.
I'm going to learn about pipes,
About pipes?
so I know what to next time.
Mom, what's the lesson from last night?
Tell me what you think.
Always tell an adult when something is wrong.
Even if you're scared of getting in trouble,
Especially then. The trouble is always smaller than the secret. Tom, what was Mr. Hall's son?
a plumber! He broke and fixed his pipes. The rug is ruined. Can we get a better one?
Yes, a blue one.
Biscuit, you were on the fridge. That was so smart.
Yes, water damage. Burst pipe under the bathroom sink.
This is what insurance is for.
Tom, we saved the laptop. You saved the laptop. And you saved the tablet.
And Lily saved Biscuit.
Biscuit saved himself, really.
He got on that fridge very fast.